Hello and welcome to Kittle Life. I am the other half, Jamie. I'd say the best. And tonight we're going to make supper. You're going to come along with me. I'm going to make a 7-layer salad. Trying to eat a little bit healthier, although I'm not sure bacon is really healthy. So we've not been able to get outside. The weather has prevented us from working on our beds. So we're going to make a salad today. Alright, in front of me I have the ingredients to make the dressing. Because you want to make the dressing first, put it in the refrigerator, let it congeal, make all of the ingredients marinate, and really make the flavor pop. So I got 1 1/4 cups mayonnaise. And you want to use mayonnaise. You don't want to use, I wouldn't recommend using Miracle Whip because it's going to get a different flavor. But if you want to, proceed at your own risk. And in here, I have sour cream, about 1/4 cup, give or take. It's never precise in this house. It's just as good as it can be. My family will eat it, trust me. Oh, and I have probably about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sometimes I go a little bit overboard with this, but since I'm using a brown sugar glazed bacon, I thought I'd cut back on some of the sugar. So it's about 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Put that in there, and of course I have a whisk. You can use a fork, you can use whatever works, except your hands. I would not recommend this. Whisk that all up, and that's going to be some good stuff. Yummy, 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 yummy. Now this is just going to tie the salad all together, so don't worry. It'll all come together. You have to have a good dressing. All right. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Now, I have here a head of lettuce. You can use whatever lettuce you would like. Romaine, spring lettuce, spinach. I'm going to use a mixture here because I have some lettuce I need to use up. We're just going to go ahead and cut this up. Cut some off here. And your lettuce is really your main part of it. Of your salad, of course. That's why they call it salad. I crack myself up sometimes. Now you're going to want to cut it up bite size. I've already rinsed this lettuce, but you want to do it bite size. And we're going to layer it. There's the first layer, and look at the new toy my husband bought me. I've been wanting one of these. I really don't need it, but we're going to be planting more lettuce this year. More cutting lettuce, and this will work out perfectly. We're going to put a spring lettuce mix here. And we're going to put some more lettuce. We're just going to layer it and add some variety. This salad is really will reflect you. So if you don't like spring lettuce mix, use some spinach, or just stay with the nice iceberg lettuce. It's up to you. We don't want that part. No one wants the middle part. Now look at that, isn't that a beautiful color? I know my family's going to really enjoy it. Who doesn't like a nice salad? Beef eaters! Oh, that's not right. Alright. Now I have about a pint of grape tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes, you can use whatever tomatoes you want. You want that flavor, but you also want that color. So we're going to cut these in half. Whoa, it rolled away. And you want to put them on the outside so you can really show that color. That's what this, it's just going to look beautiful. Because presentation is part of the equation. And wouldn't this be great, right? Tomatoes right out of your garden. Oh, of course, rinsed. Or you could add a little grit and not rinse them. It's okay. It's up to you. I prefer to rinse mine. I do have an aunt though that will take an onion, peel it while she's in the garden, and just start eating it, like it's an apple. Not me. Look at that. After you get the side done, then you're gonna just fill in here. I probably could use more tomatoes, but this will work. This will work. Oh, isn't that looking beautiful? That's looking beautiful. All right, now we're going to add the peas, the frozen peas, partially thawed. And you want to fill on the outside so you can see that layer of peas. And partially thawed, they will unthaw a little bit in here in the salad, but it's going to be okay. We'll just put the whole enchilada in there and just move it around, won't we? Oh, now that's going to look good. Now, I don't care for canned peas, but my husband loves peas. If I'm going to eat peas frozen or fresh out of the garden, it's just for me. Now, the next layer are hard-boiled eggs. I've got 6, 7 here. It doesn't matter. We're going to make it a nice little layer on top of those yummy peas. And it doesn't have to look pretty. It doesn't. It's all up to you. It's all right. Put them on the outside. It'll be good. Who doesn't like a nice egg? We'll cut these all up. Make it beautiful. And if you want to add more eggs, it's up to you. Whoops. Hell, that was close. I almost had 1 digit less. This is definitely not OSHA approved. Oh, don't try that at folks' home. Oh, we are home. It's all right. That's why my kids and husband wonder. All right. Now you can make this is a popular dish around the holidays, especially Easter. You know when you have all those extra Easter eggs left over, you're like, what in the world am I going to do with all these eggs? Make a 7-layer salad. Now the eggs might have a little dye on them, but that's all right. We eat them anyway. But that's a good way to use up some of your unused eggs. I'll just throw the other ones in here. Good. Ooh, 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 ooh. See? Yeah, we're gonna cut up a little bit more. I do anyways. I don't know about anybody else. I just was trying to make it look beautiful. And since they are going to be covered with yummy bacon and all, you are not going to see it. Here's the 7 eggs because it's a nice round number. Alright. Here thinks she's probably lost her mind. No, 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 no. I found it last year. Alright, so we're done with that. Look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful so far? Alright. Alright. I got a new toy for Christmas. I could stand here and I could shred it with, you know, an old grater. But look at this. My KitchenAid. Put that in there. it's going to shred my cheese. You do want to use shredded cheese, freshly grated if you can. It does taste better. It's just got a good flavor to it. Now you can use cheese out of a bag. It's up to you. And I'm using a Colby cheese here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wasn't that awesome, folks? You want about 2.5 cups of cheese. It's all up to you what flavor you use for your family. But freshly grated cheese always tastes better. Fill that in. Look at the flavor combination here. I don't know. Do I have enough? I don't know. All right. Now, I'm going to add the dressing. The dressing is going to pull it all together. Now let's see, how many of these do I need? A spatula. You can never have enough spatulas. I have multiple ones. All right, now we have the dressing, and I'm going to combine this on here, drizzle it. Oh, look at that, isn't that beautiful? And it's been sitting in the refrigerator just marinating. All right. And you can make more. If you don't think you have enough, you can always make more. It's always up to you. Always up to you. Alright, let's just spread it. Spread it on the side here because it's going to hold that flavor in. You know, because you can make it ahead of time. So by putting the dressing on top and covering your lettuce, your tomato, your eggs, you're actually just holding that flavor and melting it. It's not going to get soggy is what I'm trying to say. Until you dig into it. Now look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So most time you make this the night before. I want you to make it the next day. Now, we are not done. The fiesta resistance. We got some yummy bacon here. This is bacon, but not just any bacon. This is brown sugar bacon. We're gonna just throw that on here. I've got about a pound here, minus a few strips that Mike got ate during the cooking process, because the cook always has to test it. Well, I could use another pound of bacon on here, but I don't know if that is exactly healthy for you. All right, now doesn't that look just yummy? And of course my fingers are in it and everything. And I can't help myself sometimes. All right, now, and I've already cut, I'm gonna cut some, look at this. I've got some onion. I'm gonna add it. Onion, I don't know if that's part of the 7-layer salad, but you know, it's gonna add flavor to it. Some green onion on top just to add some color, some extra flavor. This is good for a potluck, for after church dinner, you name it. Like I said, you can use it after the holidays, especially Easter, to use up those, you know, extra eggs that you're tired of eating. And this is like a healthier version. It's protein. Your kids will eat it. They won't know they're actually eating healthier for you. All right, look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? Doesn't that look yummy? Who wouldn't want to eat that salad? Look at that. You know what? We are going to dig in. Now, I have a question for you. See if you can answer this. When do you stir a 7-layer salad? Never. Never, 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 never. Because once you stir it, then the lettuce will start marinating with the dressing and all that stuff, and it'll start wilting. You never stir a 7-layer salad. You take big spoons and you dig in so you get all that lovely flavor, all the layers. Never ever stir it. No, it's just not right. Now look at this. This is just going to be amazing. Look at all those flavors in there. Gotta make sure I get some of that lovely, lovely salad and tomatoes. Oh yes, this is going to be wonderful, folks. Oh yes. And of course, you know, I never ever stop making a mess, messy. But we're going to test this. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, with that bacon, it's amazing. You can make any flavor combinations you want. You just have to start with a good base. So until next time, be here or be square. See you later.